Hello kittens. Today it's a great weather outside, and the clock is about 2 o'clock, and now I'm going to school to check up some things, because soon, within 2 weeks, it's we don't need to have any school. I don't know what's the name. Holiday. We have holiday. Yeah, in 2 weeks, and I look really much forward to it, because then I'm going to my cousin Jonna in Kramfors and Sundsvall, and gonna meet many of my old friends there who I missed so much. I haven't seen them in a year, I think, and yeah, that's the first part of the summer. The first plan will be done. Yeah. Now, I haven't eaten anything yet. I woke up 1:30 o'clock, so I've just been fixing myself and giving food and water to the cats. My dog isn't here right now. She's with mom. She had an infection. Livmodersinflammation. I don't know how to say it. So she's on a cure right now. So that's why I'm not having her here. It's easier to mom to take care of her, because I have so much other things to do, so I can't watch over her, look after her all the time. Yeah. Well, I I have really much hurry outside because I don't want to miss the sun and the good weather. But I will update. You see my new video that I made. It's about how I put my hair. Now I don't have any colors here. This is my own color. But I put up a video. We'll check out how I put up my hair /hairstyle. It's the video named. So please check it out, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoyed this video when I'm standing here and talk blah 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 blah. So yes. What more am I gonna say? There was one more thing that was pretty important. Yeah. No. It was here, but ran out. So, but now I'm going outside, meet some friends, and going to school. And let's see what more will happen in the future. So, I'll see you later. Bye.